Hi, welcome to Boom Reports. My name is Kritika. Today we are going to talk about a burnt idol of Hindu god Shiva and the claims going viral on social media around it. Photos of a 15 feet tall Shiva idol burnt from the head down to the waist are viral on social media with claims that Muslims were responsible for the damage. For example, one related social media post reads, "Peacefuls vandalized this Shiva idol in Morgaon, Pratapgarh, Maharashtra. Where are those 49 so-called intellectuals of Award Vapsi gang now? #intolerance. The images have been shared by many on Facebook as well as Twitter. But looking for the images, Boom found an article by the Press Trust of India dated 26th of July 2019. The article mentioned that Shiva idol was found in a half-burnt condition on a hill in Arjani Morgaon Tehsil of the Gondia district of Maharashtra. The report also mentioned about a preliminary inspection by the police that suggested that lightning may have struck the statue. Taking this lead, we contacted the Arjani Morgaon police station, which denied any communal angle to the incident. A police official also told Boom that the preliminary investigation suggested that thunderstorms on 24th and 25th of July in the area led to lightning, which might have struck the idol, which caused the damage. So claims that the idol was damaged due to communal enmity are 100% fake news. If you come across any videos or images that create a doubt in your mind, forward it to us on our helpline number flashing right below. We will be back with such videos, so stay tuned.